Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I got up this morning, realized I am out of both of my dry shampoos. Y'all know I use the Dove, the purple bottle, and I will use the Equate brand in a pinch. So both of those were out, so I'm going to show you what I use when I'm completely out of dry shampoo. What you see here, there's not much in it right now, but there's enough to do my hair. This is cornstarch. I just put some in my hand, like so. Part my hair to the worst spots. Y'all, I had to have my dry shampoo. My hair gets super like greasy real fast. See how that's doing? It's already looking better. And to be honest, this costs like cents, whereas dry shampoo costs a lot. So, as you can see, it's already looking better. I need to refill this. You can literally get a box of cornstarch for like probably under $1, maybe a little bit over $1, I'm not sure, but compared to the price of the dry shampoo, I'll take it. So look, you guys, it soaked up every bit of that oil, and it gives me a little bit of volume, just like the dry shampoo does. I need to refill my little jar. Funds are low, so I'll probably be using this for a while, but as long as I keep my hair washed really well and don't allow it to build up, it's fine. It doesn't itch, it's natural. Look at that. I have volume, and looks like I just washed it. Now, I don't know if this would work good on darker hair, but where I have the blonde, it does work. And a positive to that is it kind of lightens my roots to match the hair. I hadn't been able to afford to do my roots for a couple months or more. And if I put cornstarch in my hair, it totally hides them. So, yeah, it's great. I urge you all to use your little friend cornstarch powder. It's cheaper. It's just as effective. Look at the volume. Let me know if it works on darker hair. I don't know if it would cause a discoloring or too much lightening or whatever, but it's worth a try, you know, when you're in a pinch. So yeah, this is what I do when I'm completely out of dry shampoo and there's no funds. Thank God for cornstarch powder. Alright, you guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you all have a great day. If you enjoyed my video or it helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and you're always free to share my videos. I don't mind. Thank you guys for all the support from my little family. You watching my videos really does help. Thank you.